5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
And we're back with the most terrorizing forest basement in the world. My name is Cody Jagahahahahahaba. You can call me Cody Bob. So anyway, during commercial, I can Peru. No, it's very done. I'm going to wait up here. It might be 2 days. I know. It's alone. Goodbye, world. Goodbye.
Reporter? Bob? I wonder what's in here. Well, I think she went crazy. Bob, I kind of need you to do the next scene. Don't be afraid. She scares me too. Creature. Oh my God. You okay, Bob? Grab it to safety. Grab it. Grab it. What am I supposed to do? Oh, okay. Oh my God, they're wrestling you back. Too hard. I guess I'll have to, just, let go. Bye.
No!